Hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire and we are at the launch of Infinix Hot S3 here in Mumbai today. So this is a budget segment phone and the USP of this phone is a 20 megapixel selfie camera along with infinity display and few more other good features and a very cost cutting price which is in the budget segment of 8,999. Come, let's check out the phone, unbox the phone and have the first look of it. So this is the new Infinix S3 or also known as Hot S3, and on the top of the box you can see the USP of it, which is 20 megapixel low light selfie camera, and this variant comes with 3GB and 32GB combination. Some more USPs of the Hot S3 are Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 18:9 infinity display, XOS, beauty and bouquet mode in the front camera it is, and a 4000 mAh massive battery. So on the box we can see the pricing is mentioned 9,999. So probably we are making this video before the launch. It will be launched approximately what I think might be in 8,999 or so. And this will be in the budget segment, and being in the budget segment, it is giving us a 20 megapixel selfie camera. So that's a very good thing. Come, let's unbox the device. Okay, so as you open the box, on the top we have our device. We'll come back a little later on it. Let's see what are the contents in the box. Okay, so here we're getting normal paperwork, which is the warranty card and the quick start guide and a screen guard. Okay, there's a back case. It looks nice, sturdy. There's a SIM ejecting tool, and then there is a micro USB cable, and this is the adapter, 5 volt and 2 ampere. So as we have already assumed that this will be in the affordable category, and according to that the feel and the design looks quite good, and it fits in my hand, as well as it has a bezel-less infinity display, which is a good thing. And back feel is nice, matte, no fingerprint problem. The front also I cannot see this fingerprint issue. So on the top we have a 20 megapixel selfie camera, LED flash, not just screen flash or a beauty flash, it's LED flash, earpiece. Here will be the shortcut keys, probably inside the screen. You'll on and see that. And on the right side, power button and volume rocker. On the left side there's SIM tray. So we'll open this and see. Then there is a 3.5mm jack. Below there is mic, charging port and the speaker grill. So on the back we have a fingerprint sensor, 13 megapixel rear camera and a LED flash. Come on, now let's on the device. So this is the first look of the phone. Display looks quite bright, sharp. Viewing angle is fine, like quite decent. Nice. Touch response is very nice. So it's Flipkart is like pre-installed, so it will be available on Flipkart. WhatsApp is also pre-installed, so there is some bloatware here and there. Let's quickly just run through the settings. So we'll go in system, about phone. This phone has XOS with octa-core CPU, RAM 3GB, ROM 32GB, screen is 1440 into 720 megapixels. Okay, so tells the camera information. It's 13 megapixel autofocus rear camera and a 20 megapixel front camera. and 4000 mAh battery. Okay, so this phone runs on Android version 8.0 Oreo. In a new device, 1.4 GB used of 3 GB, and out of 32 GB 8.36 used. This is the status of a new fresh device. Battery is 4000 mAh. Screen is a HD screen with a 8:9 with a 18:9 full display. Bezel-less. Here this bezel should have been a little lesser, because already the keys are inside, so they could have made it till here. Rear camera is 13 megapixel and get like HDR, flash. Okay, this is the bokeh effect, and there are some advanced settings and filter options. Okay, what are other things? In modes, there is an option of panorama, night mode, time lapse, and pro mode, in which you can make like a lot of customizations in the ISO and white balance and all. Along with that, get some modes. Let's see the front camera, which is the actual focus of this phone. Okay, so it is a 20 megapixel front camera. It captures a lot of good detail, and right now it's on beauty mode. Then when it's front camera, so you get flash, because it has a proper flash in the front as well, and bokeh effect, and some more settings in which you can add watermark and adjust the level or the touch capture and all. I just clicked some of the pictures from both the cameras. So this is a rare camera picture, which looks pretty decent. This is from the mirror, then the image is quite clear. Okay, so can you see a difference between this image and this image? So one is in the auto mode and the other one is in the beauty mode. And okay, so let's talk about selfies. So selfies are quite good. One is in the auto mode, the other one you can see it's in the beauty mode. So this was the first look of the Infinix Hot S3. The price for this product is 8,999 for the 3GB plus 32GB variant, and for the 4GB 64GB you can get it in 10,999. This device will be available exclusively on Flipkart from 12th of February. So we'll come up with the full review of this device. Till then, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye.